Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, big thanks for watching this video. My name is Bastian and today we're gonna make some great stuff. We're gonna build a turbo with this leaf blower on this motorcycle. Stay tuned! This leaf blower pipe we're going to try to fit in this part of the motorcycle. Let's see if it fits.
Goed.
Well, okay. As soon as I start the leaf blower, the motor stalls. So, round number 2. Well, okay guys.
Oh jongens, nou dit is wat er gebeurt.
Here is the situation.
The
motorbike runs really great, but as soon as I start the leaf blower,
zodra ik de turbo aantrek,
here it goes. Then the motor dies immediately and it will not stay running. I'm going to be ashamed for a while, I guess. This was probably one of the worst ideas ever, but...
Zo, even weg bij die muur.
Well guys, we tried it for several times, but it simply just will not work. Every time I hit the throttle, the motor stalls and vice versa. I was able to drive it around 2 times, but unfortunately the engine keeps on stalling and it was really tough to ride. So anyhow, it was a great experience and well, we had some results, didn't we? Anyway, I would really like to thank you for watching this video. Please leave a comment or subscribe to the channel for more great videos. And I'd like to see you on the next one. Ciao, ciao.
No can do.